Welcome everyone. Question on atomic structure. The frequency of electromagnetic radiation with a wavelength of 510 nanometer is. Choices are A. 5.88 into 10 to the power 14 second inverse, B. 4.63 into 10 to the power 14 second inverse, C. 6.12 into 10 to the power 18 second inverse, D. 3.74 into 10 to the power 18 second inverse. Answer is A. 5.88 into 10 to the power 14 second inverse. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here given wavelength lambda is equal to 510 nanometer is equal to 510 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. We know that speed of light c is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Again we know that frequency nu is equal to c by lambda. Now we put the values of lambda and c in this equation. Therefore, frequency is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8. This is the value of c by 510 into 10 to the power minus 9. This is the value of lambda is equal to 5.88 into 10 to the power 14 second inverse. Thank you for watching this video.